Hello everyone, and welcome to this comprehensive guide on creating a budget, steps to financial freedom. Budgeting is a cornerstone of personal finance that paves the way for financial stability and, ultimately, financial freedom. Whether you aim to eliminate debt, save for significant milestones, or improve daily financial management, a well-structured budget is your essential tool. This guide will explore why budgeting is important, how to create a robust budget, and practical tips for maintaining it effectively. Let's delve into the journey towards financial freedom. Budgeting is not merely about tracking your income and expenses. It is about understanding and controlling your financial landscape. This understanding provides clarity on where your money goes and helps you make informed decisions about your financial priorities. A budget serves as a financial roadmap, guiding you in setting and achieving your financial goals. These goals might include saving for a down payment on a house, funding your education, or ensuring a comfortable retirement. Additionally, a budget helps manage and reduce debt by allocating resources effectively. It also prepares you for unexpected expenses, thus minimizing financial stress. In essence, budgeting offers a sense of control and reduces financial anxiety, making it an indispensable part of financial planning. Creating a budget involves several key steps. First, you need to set clear financial goals. Identifying your financial goals provides a purpose to your budgeting efforts. These goals can be short-term, such as saving for a vacation, medium-term like purchasing a car, or long-term, such as retirement planning. Having well-defined goals will keep you motivated and focused on your budgeting journey. Next, it is crucial to track your income and expenses. Understanding your financial situation is the foundation of budgeting. Track all sources of income, including your salary, freelance earnings, rental income, and any other inflows. Similarly, document all your expenses, categorizing them into fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, and loan payments, variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out, and irregular expenses like car repairs, medical bills, and gifts. This comprehensive tracking will provide a clear picture of your financial inflows and outflows. Once you have a detailed record of your income and expenses, categorize your spending. This step helps in identifying areas where you can potentially cut back. Common categories include housing, utilities, transportation, groceries, entertainment, dining out, savings, and debt repayment. Categorizing your spending helps in understanding your spending patterns and identifying areas for improvement. With a clear understanding of your spending, you can now set a budget for each category. Be realistic in your allocations to ensure that your total expenses do not exceed your total income. A simple and effective approach to budget allocation is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, housing, utilities, groceries, 30% to wants, entertainment, dining out, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This balanced approach ensures that your essential needs are met while also allowing for discretionary spending and savings. Utilizing budgeting tools can greatly assist in managing your budget. Numerous budgeting tools and apps are available to help you stay on track. Mint, for instance, tracks your income, expenses, and savings goals, providing a comprehensive view of your finances. ENAB, You Need a Budget, helps allocate every dollar to a specific category, promoting disciplined spending. Pocket Guard shows how much you have left to spend after accounting for bills, goals, and necessities, thus helping in controlling discretionary spending. These tools offer automation and insights that simplify the budgeting process and enhance financial management. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget is crucial. Your budget should not be a static document but a dynamic tool that reflects your changing financial situation and goals. Review your budget at least monthly to ensure it remains aligned with your current circumstances. Adjust your budget categories as needed to accommodate changes in income, expenses, and financial goals. This regular review helps in staying on track and making necessary adjustments to achieve your financial objectives. Sticking to a budget can be challenging, but several strategies can help you stay committed. Automating your savings is a powerful strategy. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure that you pay yourself first. This approach helps build your savings without much effort and ensures that you consistently save a portion of your income. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses is another effective strategy. Identify areas where you can reduce spending, such as dining out less frequently or canceling subscriptions you don't use. Small changes in your spending habits can lead to significant savings over time. Using cash for discretionary spending can help prevent overspending. Withdraw a fixed amount of cash each week for discretionary expenses and stick to it. This method makes you more mindful of your spending and helps in controlling impulse purchases. Planning your meals can significantly reduce your grocery bills and food waste. Create a meal plan for the week and make a shopping list based on it. Stick to the list when you go grocery shopping to avoid buying unnecessary items. Avoiding impulse purchases is crucial in sticking to your budget. Before making an unplanned purchase, wait for 24 hours to see if you still want it. This waiting period can help reduce impulse buying and save you money. Finding affordable alternatives for the things you need can also help in saving money. Look for cheaper alternatives such as generic brands, shop during sales, or use coupons to reduce your expenses. Involving your family in the budgeting process ensures that everyone is on the same page and works together towards the financial goals. Family involvement creates a supportive environment and encourages collective effort towards financial discipline. Celebrating milestones is important to stay motivated. Reward yourself for sticking to your budget and achieving financial milestones. This positive reinforcement can keep you motivated and committed to your financial goals. In conclusion, creating and maintaining a budget is a powerful step towards achieving financial freedom. It requires discipline, commitment, and regular review, but the benefits are well worth the effort. Remember, the goal of budgeting is not to restrict you but to empower you to make informed financial decisions. By following these steps and tips, you can take control of your finances and work towards a more secure and prosperous future. Thank you for joining me in this guide on creating a budget, steps to financial freedom. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips. Happy budgeting!